If you find this video interesting, then please like and share it. Also, leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for notifications.
Let us understand the term projection of a point. A point may be situated in space in any of the 4 quadrants. Consider point A is situated in first quadrant. The position is obtained by extending their projectors onto the planes. Now opening the horizontal plane or rotating the plane in clockwise direction, we get the following result. Note, following notations should be followed while naming different views in orthographic projection. Now let us consider different cases of a point and understand the term above and below for HP and in front and behind for VP. Consider point A. It is given that A is at 10 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Taking line XY as reference line, as the term above refers to HP and in front refers to VP, draw a 10 mm line above HP and 30 mm line in front of VP. This is basic representation of the given question. Now project these points perpendicular to the plane, and the intersection of the projectors gives the location of point A in space. Considering another point B which is 40 mm below HP and 30 mm behind VP, similarly, understanding the term below for HP and behind for VP, draw a line 40 mm below HP and 30 mm behind VP. Now project these points perpendicular to the plane, and the intersection of the projectors gives the location of point B in space. This is the basic representation of the given question. Similarly, we can find for point C, which is 30 mm above HP and 30 mm behind VP, for point D, which is 40 mm below HP and 20 mm in front of VP, for point E, which is 60 mm above HP and on VP, for point F, which is 50 mm in front of VP and on HP, and point G is on both HP and VP. The representation of the following points with reference line XY is shown. The table shown represents the location of point in front view, top view, and which quadrant does it lie.
If you find this video interesting, then please like and share it. Also, leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for notifications.